Welcome to Smarter Home Security. Let's take a minute to set up the system to meet your needs. First, download the mobile app. Log in using your username and password. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. From here, you can view and control every aspect of your system. Now, let's set up notifications so that you can know the minute something meaningful happens at home. In the left side menu, find Notifications. Enable Push Notifications. Then select Manage Notifications. Here, you'll find several suggested notifications, which you can easily turn on. Let's set up a System Not Armed notification to alert you if you forget to arm your security system by a certain time of day or if you leave home without arming. And if you did forget to arm your system, you can take action right from your mobile device. From the left side menu, you can also set up Scenes, which allows you to control multiple devices with the touch of a button. Next, make sure Geo Services is enabled so that your system knows when you're away. This will allow you to automate rules and alerts based on your device locations. You'll need to log into your online account to set up geofences around your home, work, and other locations. From your online account, you can also update your password, add your mobile number, and set up users. For questions about your setup or to learn more about the smart services available to you, contact your service provider.